Ever stepped into a closet and felt like it's more of a black hole than a wardrobe retreat? Imagine opening doors to a compact, perfectly organized space that makes getting ready feel effortless. Every outfit in sight, every accessory within reach, and each inch of shelving customized to your style. Today, we're diving into 10 high-impact walk-in closet makeover ideas to transform tight space into a personal styling studio. Whether you're working with a narrow reach-in or a small U-shaped nook, these design strategies bring order, elegance, and efficiency. Ready to rethink what small space can do?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you maximize hanging space without overcrowding? One of the top challenges in a small walk-in closet is hanging capacity. Begin by dividing your hanging zones into categories: tops and jackets at shoulder height, pants folded over hangers below, and seasonal outerwear up top. Double your hanging length on one side by using a rod extender that slots between existing rods or walls. Opt for slim, non-slip velvet hangers to reduce bulk and prevent clothes from sliding off. Consider recessed rods installed into wall niches to save depth while keeping items accessible. Highlight long garments by designating a small single rod section for dresses or coats, separated visually with trim or color block paint. Combine vertical space use with precision to pack in more garments without cramming, ensuring both volume and ease of access. Let me know if clever hanger setups like this inspire your closet revamp. Share this to help others rethink their space. What shelving configurations balance storage and visibility elegantly? Shelves should feel curated, not chaotic. Use a mix of open shelves at eye level for frequently worn items, shirts, knitwear, accessories, while positioning concealed bins below for lesser used items. Floating shelves help break up vertical visual clutter, while baskets with labels ensure uniformity and order. Consider adjustable metal brackets mounted into slotted track systems so you can shift shelf height seasonally. A row of diagonal shoe shelves angled toward the light shows off footwear while saving depth. In corner areas, use corner carousel rotating shelves. You can access items tucked at the back easily. The visual trick is to layer open display shelves on top, smart storage bins below, and a tidy base to anchor the space. You'll get both aesthetic appeal and maximize storage. How do you include drawers in a compact space without losing floor room? Even small walk-ins benefit from drawer storage for delicates, undergarments, or jewelry. Spear in narrow modular drawer units around 12 to 15 deep beneath hanging clothes or shoe shelves. Use stacked drawers of varying heights, deeper at the bottom for bulky items, shallower mid-level for lingerie or socks. Soft close mechanisms feel luxurious and prevent doors from slamming. Consider sliding drawers that push in flush with surrounding grid systems to preserve all aisle space. For jewelry, a dedicated lined tray drawer near the mirror adds polish without needing extra furniture. Don't overlook drawer organizers with compartments to keep small items tidy. When inserted thoughtfully, drawer units not only add storage, they elevate the experience of unpacking your outfit each day. What lighting solutions brighten the closet and streamline outfit selection? Proper lighting makes a huge difference in a small wardrobe. First, install a flush mount or low-profile LED ceiling light with daylight balance near the closet entrance. Under shelf-led strips, on each hanging run, provide lateral illumination to reduce shadows. Install a lighted swivel mirror or vanity lighting mounted inside the door to check colors accurately. For upper shelves and dark corners, puck lights activated by motion or remote control add brightness only where you need it. Avoid harsh fluorescence. Opt for warm tone LEDs for flattering skin tone reflection. A small chandelier or statement ceiling fixture, if ceiling height allows, can convert your closet into a luxurious dressing area. Layering different light at ceiling, shelves, and the mirror eliminates blind spots and creates a flattering, practical glow. How can sliding or pocket doors save space and enhance style? Closet doors can eat into valuable real estate. Replace swinging doors with sliding barn-style doors on an inside track, or mirrored sliding panels to reflect light and visually expand the space. Frosted glass pocket doors maintain privacy while feeling less heavy. If a sliding door isn't possible, bifold doors can fold inwards without swinging outward. For a more built-in look, remove doors entirely and add a floor-to-ceiling curtain on a ceiling-mounted track. Choose a luxe fabric to mask clutter but still feel refined. These alternatives free up square footage both inside and outside the closet, making flow smoother while improving style. By layering smart hanging solutions, thoughtful shelving, luxe textiles, integrated lighting, and curated personalization, you can convert any small walk-in closet into a beautifully functional, high-style space. This makeover takes you from clothes chaos to daily delight in your own walk-in sanctuary. Start by implementing one idea, a luxe rug, sliding door, or double rods, and watch as your closet evolves into an organized retreat you look forward to stepping into every morning.